Sa maliit na mundo ko, tahimik ang bawat araw. Bit-bit ko ang mga pangarap, kahit puno ng pagdududa. Maraming matang humusga, maraming salitang sakit, ngunit nang ikaw ay dumating, unti-unting nagbago ang lahat. Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit muli ako ngumiti. Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit natutong maniwala muli. Kahit anong sabihin nila, di na ako mag-isa, dahil sa puso mo natagpuan ko ang halaga ko. Kasama ka sa bawat laban, sa bawat luha, tagumpay. Ngayon alam ko na may taong tatanggap sa akin. Ikaw ang dahilan ng bawat habang na ginagawa. Ikaw ang dahilan ng pag-asang di nawawala. Kahit magbago ang panahon, mananatili ang damdamin. Ikaw ang dahilan, ikaw ang tahanan ko. Ikaw ang dahilan ng pagmamahal na totoo.
This is OST Obsession, your daily dose of music. Today you heard an original track inspired by the movie Love, NGO. The track is called Ikaw ang Dahilan. Before he became the friend everyone loved, NGO was a young man searching for acceptance in a world quick to judge him. While helping at his mother's humble burger stand and volunteering at a cleft lip and palate foundation, he meets Scarlett, the girl who changes everything. But as love blossoms, NGO must confront prejudice, heartbreak, self-doubt, and the painful question of whether he can truly accept himself before asking others to do the same. Filled with humor, warmth, and heartfelt emotion, Love, NGO is a touching story about first love, friendship, family, resilience, and discovering your own worth despite life's challenges. The film was officially released in Philippine cinemas on June 3, 2026, through Viva Films and Vincentiments. As of now, there is no officially announced streaming release, and the movie is currently available exclusively in theaters. Some stories make you laugh. Some stories make you cry. And some stories remind you that being different never makes you less worthy of love.